Coastal flood warning in effect from 10 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. What? 1½ to 2½ feet of inundation above ground level is likely in vulnerable areas near the waterfront and shoreline with a Monday afternoon high tide. Locally, 3 feet of inundation is possible. Around 1 foot inundation above ground level is possible with a Sunday night high tide. Where? In Connecticut.
Okay.
Flood watch in effect from Sunday afternoon through Monday afternoon. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, including the following areas: northern Fairfield, northern Middlesex, northern New Haven, southern Fairfield, southern Middlesex and southern New Haven, northeast New Jersey, including the following areas: eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Passaic and western Union, and southeast New York, including the following areas: Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, northern Queens, northern Westchester, Orange, Putnam, Staten Island, Rockland, southern Queens and southern Westchester. When? From Sunday afternoon through Monday afternoon. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Minor flooding. Details. Rainfall totals of 2 to 3 inches with locally higher amounts are forecast across the watch area Sunday into Monday. The heaviest rainfall is expected to fall overnight on Sunday and into early Monday morning. The combination of heavy rainfall and the already saturated grounds due to heavier rain over the last week could result in streams across the area experiencing rapid increases and flooding along low-lying and flood-prone locations. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Coastal flood warning in effect.
Okay, well this is all jacked up, but I guess that's a pretty rare
Inundation above ground level is likely involved.
Pretty rare fail I just caught there. Well,
Possible.
make it as you wish, but there you have it.